Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Mr. MGC and today let's make this flag animation in just 2 minutes. Let's start by adding a plane and rotate it in y-axis to 90 degrees. And now go to edit mode and add few subdivisions for a smoother animation. And now go into vertex selection mode and select few vertex at the end of the flag. In object data menu, add a new vertex group and click assign. It's time to add a wind. Rotate it and arrange properly with respect to the plane. And in the physics properties, set the suitable strength of the wind. Now select the plane and in physics properties apply cloth and select cotton in preset. Scroll all the way down and inside the shape menu, add the previously added vertex group here in the pin group tab. This makes the selected corner as rigid points, and in the collision tab, make sure to activate the self collision option. Here we got very hard and weak flag animation, so let's rectify these 3 mistakes. The first, shade smooth the flag, and the second, increase the strength of the wind in physics properties. Now you can add a pole, texture it and light it up, give the scene your creative touch. And don't forget to apply the subdivision surface modifier to the flag. So select the flag and go to the modifiers, apply subdivision surface modifier. Here you go, you're all done. This is all about today's video. Hope you like it and please share it with your friends. And happy Blender. Signing off, Mr. MGC. Jai Hind.